Technovek is a multi-profile enterprise, the main production of which is oil and gas equipment. The plant produces equipment for sealing of the oil and gas wells, shut-off valves, filtration equipment, water injection distribution manifolds for reservoir pressure maintenance systems, as well as group measuring units. The company has developed a comprehensive development program which secures the increase in production volumes and development of new products, increasing production efficiency and competitiveness, reducing the cost of products, expanding the market, creating additional jobs. The quality management system implemented at the enterprise meets the requirements of the national standard GOST ISO 9001:2015, which guarantees high quality of products at all stages of production. The manufactured products of Technovek meet the requirements of API 6A International Standard of the American Petroleum Institute of Wellhead Equipment. The quality management system meets the requirements of Q1 standard. The production efficiency growth is one of the company's main tasks, which is solved by improvement of internal business processes by means of instruments for careful manufacture. The Sightline Enterprise Recourse Management System has been implemented. With the help of this system, the accuracy of strategic and operational planning, integration of production planning systems with systems of design and technological preparation of accounting and management accounting is increased. The company employs more than 1,100 people whose average age is 35 years old. Besides decent wages and basic social guarantees envisaged by the state, the enterprise also offers each employee a number of additional benefits. A laboratory of CAD end-to-end systems works on the basis of Votkinsk branch of Izhevsk State Technical University. The students have a real opportunity to get acquainted in practice with innovative high-tech technologies at the oil and gas equipment plant. Practical lessons in the equipment of the new laboratory will allow students to develop the skills and competence necessary for Technovek plant, as well as to carry out prospecting and applied research in the interests of the enterprise. During summer, 3rd and 4th year students undergo paid scientific and production practice. The students are offered a career at the enterprise. The pace of technological development obliges Technovek oil and gas equipment plant to constantly monitor modern trends in mechanical engineering by improving the production process. Over 100 design engineers and technologists work on implementation of innovative technologies. At the enterprise, there's an own foundry that allows, regardless of external suppliers, to reach the highest quality of manufactured products and at the same time to lower considerably the expenses for their manufacture at constant quality control. While constantly increasing its market share, the enterprise outputs more than 10,000 products per month, from which only 6,000 gate valves and 700 wellhead valves. The company covers an area of over 700,000 square meters. Each production shop is located in a separate building. More than 400 equipment units are installed at the enterprise. Constant growth of production allows erecting new workshops and expanding the park of machines every year by purchasing modern equipment from leading manufacturers. The plant design department has an internal specialization in products and is able to solve complex technical problems. Design, documentation, and change management are carried out in accordance with the requirements of the Unified System for Design Documentation. Over the years, the design department has registered 33 patents. The established feedback with clients allows designers to constantly carry out works on improvement and modernization of manufactured products. Every year, new equipment is developed and put into batch production, whereby the most advantageous solutions for production of highly functional equipment at a more competitive price are found. The company regularly undergoes external and internal audits of the quality management system for compliance with the requirements of ISO 9001, API 6A, the results of which confirm the compliance of manufactured products with international quality standards. The product range of Technovek oil and gas equipment plant includes more than 250 various products, each of which has a large number of modifications and design versions, including export versions. The main place among the manufactured products is occupied by equipment for wellhead connection of oil and gas wells, shut-off and control valves, group measuring units, water injection distribution manifold for reservoir pressure maintenance systems, filtration equipment, pipeline isolation connections, measuring devices for reservoir pressure maintenance systems. Technovek plant of oil and gas equipment offers more than 100 modifications of wellhead equipment and also manufactures the equipment on the basis of the customer's technical task. The XT can be equipped with gate valves and throttling devices with hydraulic or electric drive. The disc valve gate developed and produced at the enterprise is widely used for work as a part of Christmas and injection trees, water injection distribution manifolds, or for installation of high-pressure pipelines. In comparison with gate valves of classical construction, the disc valve has a number of advantages. Opening or closing of the valve is operated with a handle in just a few turns. Free internal volumes are minimal, which makes it possible to close or open the valve without preheating at low temperatures. The costs for its maintenance are considerably reduced. On the basis of the butterfly valve, we have developed butterfly choke valve, or BCV, and its modifications, 3-position butterfly choke valve, and revolver-type butterfly choke valve. On the basis of these valves, the line of wellheads for the wellhead sealing is produced. Cross-type Christmas tree. The Christmas tree is for the wellhead sealing, their operating regime regulation, installation of electric centrifugal pump, a junction of devices for well testing and holding of technological operations. Injection tree. This tree is designed for the injection wells sealing and their operating regime regulation. 2 injection tree. Wellhead fittings for the simultaneous separate operation, pumping into reservoirs by lifting pipes hung in parallel. Sucker rod fittings, to be applied for the sealing of wellheads operating with sucker rods. The company produces flow measuring complexes of electromagnetic and vortex acoustic principle for reservoir pressure maintenance systems. The devices have a wide range of operating pressures, operating conditions of increased gas factor with high heterogeneity of the fluid flow near the curves of pipelines and shut-off elements. Group measuring units enable the most accurate and efficient measurement of the mass flow rate of crude oil and the volume of free oil gas. The units can archive and transmit measurements data from any well connected to the unit to the oil field control center. No less attention is paid to the development of equipment that can replace imported equipment in the Russian and international markets. The specialists of the company have developed a unit designed for continuous measurement of mass flow of crude oil by components. It is able to replace American flow meters as part of group measuring units or to work directly near the well, making measurements without separation of crude oil. The unit is undergoing pilot testing and is preparing for mass production. The products of Technovek brand were highly appreciated, and Technovek plant of oil and gas equipment was recognized as the best manufacturer of X-trees in Russia in 2012 and 2015, according to the rating of 42 oil companies, leaders of the Russian oil and gas market. The best confirmation of the quality of products is still the positive feedback from customers. These are valves manufactured by the Russian company Technovek. Several of these are installed here in the Kingdom of Bahrain, in the LLC field. This is undoubtedly the equipment of high quality. It is unpretentious and durable in harsh conditions. To date, this is confirmed by many years of cooperation with oil and gas companies of Kazakhstan, Ukraine, Azerbaijan, Uzbekistan, and of course the leading companies of Russia: Rosneft, Lukoil, Gazprom, Gazpromneft, Tatneft, Bashneft, and Rusneft.